First up on our list are berries, those tiny but mighty fruits bursting with flavor and health benefits. Think of berries as the superheroes of the fruit world, fighting off heart disease with their army of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your blood vessels from damage, keeping your heart healthy and strong. So load up on those blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Your heart will thank you. Next up, we've got oats, the breakfast of champions and heart health enthusiasts. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge, soaking up cholesterol and helping to lower those pesky LDL levels. You know, the bad kind. Lower cholesterol means a happier, healthier heart. So start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, and you'll be feeling oat standing all day long. Next up, salmon. Now, let's dive into the deep blue with salmon, a heart-healthy superstar. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like superheroes for your heart. They help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow. Basically, everything your heart needs to thrive. So next time you're craving seafood, make it salmon. Next is dark chocolate, the delicious path to a happy heart. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, in moderation of course, can actually be good for your heart. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. But remember, we're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. The higher the percentage, the better. So go ahead and indulge in a square or two of dark chocolate. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you. Finally, go nuts for heart health. The crunchy and convenient snack that's good for your heart. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, pistachios, they're all heart healthy heroes. So keep a bag of mixed nuts handy for a satisfying and healthy snack. Show your heart some love. So there you have it, 5 delicious and easy ways to give your heart the love it deserves. Remember, a healthy heart means a healthier, happier you. So incorporate these foods into your diet and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative videos. Stay healthy, stay awesome, finding balance. Share this with your loved ones, and don't forget to check out the awesome product in the description.